Hey, Stephen Watson here to tell you about our auction coming up this Thursday here with Rebel Auction right here in Eatonton, Georgia, 100 Friendship Road. Sale starts at 9 a.m. Thursday morning, August the 26th. Come get in the truck with me and let's ride around and check out the auction yard. Let me tell you guys about our toys that we're going to be selling this Thursday. Yamaha twin engine jet drive 2018 model 40 hours. Also endurance toy hauler. This unit's been slept in 4 times. Need something to pull those toys with. 2017 F350, 49,000 miles. Mack tandem dumpster, make that money. 29,000 miles, 2020 model. Also has some very late model road tractors with wet line kits all set up to pull those dump trailers and make that money. 2021 model, 2020 model. Also have a 2013 model with 13-speed camelback suspension. All these are some of the same owner. Great trucks, come right off the road, working every day and making money every day. Guys, we got those dump trailers. These are some 2016 model steel dump trailers. You can do it all. You can haul gravel, you can haul rock, you can haul riprap. You can make money every day with them. Guys, we got 3 of these East Genesis dump trailers, all aluminum, grain gates on the backs and liners in the bottom. We have a pair of low hour, late model, 1150M case dozers, cab AC ready to go. 2021 Kubota SBL 95-2, 2019 Kubota SBL 95-2. Low hours, like new. Got a couple of sisters right here. Hyundai 180, super low hours, very well maintained. We have a 160 here with a progressive linkage thumb. 2,500 hour range tractor right here, guys, where you get another one. If you want to look cool, you got to ride in the Peterbilt, guys. Dump trailer, 96 model Pete, 34.6 E model, you get the big horsepower. Guys, need a low boy, 35-ton trail leads, hydraulic dovetail, 2022 brand new unused 53-foot 50-ton capacity recovery trailer with a 20,000-pound winch. Liddell 55-ton low boy. Another one of these nice Genesis East trailers, all ready to go. All you gotta do is jump up behind the wheel and go to work and make money every day. 2015 model Peterbilt ISX coming. Also selling this Thursday, August 26th at 9 a.m. is when we start. Here we go. We're also selling for Triple M site workers. We're selling scraper tractors and scrapers. Look at this set of tandem scrapers, 14 yard. Here we are, the big Steiger 380. It's got a couple of double 16s on behind it, ready to go move that dirt. Check this side. Original big buck, 525 horsepower Caterpillar motor. Where do you find one? There's none anywhere in the world but right here in Eatonton, Georgia. Selling this Thursday, August the 26th. Come on out this Thursday at 9 a.m., August the 26th, here in Eatonton, Georgia, 100 Friendship Road. Hey, if you need more information, give me a call, Stephen Watson, at 478-288-2072. And I'd like to remind you, we have online bidding available. If you can't make it out, you can bid online via proxy bid or equipment fax, or you can check us out at our link at rebelauction.net. Come see us. Many items, these machines and these trucks are fantastic, clean items. Gonna make you money. They're hard to find. Come be with us. Can't wait to meet you and to see you. And remember, if you'd like to have an auction of your very own, come talk to us. Give me a call, Stephen Watson, 478-288-2072. Thank you.